Well, this is something I thought I'd never do. Cutting an onion to put in the meat stuff for pizza sandwiches. I despise onions. I hate them. I really hate onions. Isn't that right, Noah? Like what? But anyway, yeah, cut onions. Well, Peter's just left for work. Oh, when I was cutting those onions earlier, my eyes were just streaming, and I made the stupid mistake of trying to wipe my eyes with the back of my hands. Bit of a big mistake, how to make so I made my eyes really streamy. I was really crying. You know what? He's over there by the table. You can't really see him, but yeah. I'm just gonna go get myself something because I am actually quite hungry, and it's only just gone 7:30 in the morning, so fun. Well, I'm just out with Noah. It's nice and sunny. Hey Noah. Yeah, a bit windy. Taking him for a bit of a walk. About just gone 4 o'clock, I think. He said his lunch. He's having a sniff. But yeah, nice and sunny, and I can still smell onions around. So I have to wash my hands quite a few times today. But yeah, enjoying the sun. There's the dog chillaxing on the balcony with a disheveled sock. You can see that. Hey, Noah! What's this? Take it. Hey, Noah. Nee. Dog it is. It's like one man and his dog, but it's one dog and his sock. Yeah. Yeah, he loves that thing like a cat loves fish. Right then. But yeah. It's 5 o'clock, waiting for Peter to come home. I think we're going to his mum's for dinner tonight. So I remember them saying, "Till Mum and Dad," or in the words, till Monday. But yeah. It's rather it's not too hot and it's not too cold outside. It's in between because the sun's out. There's a cool breeze around. But yeah. Oh. And I'm a bit blank for now, so I best pause here before I babble on.
Hello. How are you doing?
Hello.
Hey
Hey, Noah.
Noah.
Just got
Stuff. Hey yo.
Hello.
Yo Noah.
Yo ho.
Yo ho.
If you could please.
We're home. Oh, so we probably can't hear me. Hello.
Hello.
Let's eat.
Yes.
No, it's already started.
Yeah, no, it's being annoying as hell.
So what annoys you, Linda? Linda.
His... No, I better sit down on camera. I don't know. Fiddly things. I don't... You're snoring.
Do I snore?
You do. The last couple of days you have.
Yeah, that's probably because my nose is kind of blocked.
Sorry.
I don't snore normally. Trust me.
Alright.
Seriously.
Even if it's like a. But the last couple of days it's been. Yeah, like that. But it's still last night it was. Oh, don't go, don't be sad. I don't mind. I do a little bit, but you got a blocked nose.
Oh no! Oh.
I think.
I'm nicking your phone then.
What did I do?
Insult me.
I didn't mean to. I just said it annoyed me a little bit. I didn't mean that in a horrible way because you got a bad nose. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it.
Do I snore normally?
Well, I've usually been a stone asleep, but if I've been awake, I've not noticed anything.
You first insult me, big time, and then you say no.
Well, the last couple of weeks or so, you have snored. Right, I'm aiming at. Last couple of weeks you have snored, but that's probably down to the nose. But before that, I've not noticed it because I've just been stone cold asleep.
I'm great. I'm not gonna put that in.
Why?
Because no one is allowed to know I'm snoring.
Why?
Because I'm not snoring.
Why?
See, that annoys me.
Prove it.
That I'm snoring.
Yeah. I'm out of ideas.
Can't wake up the dog.
No.
Oh, look, this fits my hair.
But what are you gonna put it around? Oh, your hand fits in hair.
There's no shine.
No, not under there anyway. My other shinies, well, they broke.
What shiny? Chinese.
I got them for my birthday. I think it's about a year and a half ago. Or about 1-2 years.
It fits a little bit.
It does. It's both pink.
Yeah.
But you're wearing bright green. Angry Bird. I got a pink one with a red one. Looking for shinies. There's lots of shinies in the room.
No shinies. Has to be warm again.
Yeah, it's coming to warm in like a couple of days. Beer.
That beer.
Yeah.
Nothing good to eat. Well, tomorrow pizza.
Pizza. Yum.
Pizza my mom gave.
Yeah.
My mom is good for me. Really. If there's anything, I have to thank my mom. 'Cause my mom is like, yeah. Don't you think so too, Linda?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah. Great mom.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm filming. Oh, I'm filming. I'm filming. Oh, no, I'm not.
Well, obviously.
That is her phone. Linda's phone. yeah. Anyway, I don't know it for today anymore.
Neither
Do you, Lynn?
Neither do I. In a wave.
We could do a wave, yeah, like this, but no.
What was that? That was pathetic.
Because I don't want to wave. Yeah, seriously. No, but yeah. Just I don't know. I don't want to wave.
We'll just say.
I'm looking for something. But I know what I'm looking for when I found it. Does that make sense?
A little bit. I'm guessing you can't eat it at all as it's in here.
Oh, there are numerous things I can eat.
And here is it. Is it soft? Is it hard?
I only know when I've seen it.
Well then how do you know it?
I'm searching for it.
I have no idea what he's looking for. Let's go look. The food. Yeah. You need to pull it that far across. People can see in.
Yeah. Hey.
Fridge magnet. Could be our fridge magnet. Ladybug.
We just wake the dog.
Well, technically you woke the dog, as
You know how long are we talking already?
7 minutes 50 seconds.
Oh my god. That's half?
That's half a vlog.
Yeah.
Basically half the vlog.
And we still need to close the curtains. Seriously. Yes, I have to put in closing the curtains.
Oh, you've got to close the curtains.
Hmm?
You have to close the curtains.
Not doing the bathroom yet. That's the best job.
Hello. Little piggy.
How's my hair? I need to be cut. Need to ask my mom again.
Yes.
It's my camera.
Like mine, but thinner and not pink.
Yeah, lesser. A bit lesser.
Bit less. That makes dog toy.
Yeah. Hey, but these things can only film for 10 minutes, so I think we have to wrap up.
Mine can record for about 40 minutes. Yours can record 20.
No? Max 10, and then they say bye bye.
Oh yeah, we've got 40 seconds to. Yeah, 40 seconds.
So yeah, then instead of dancing, I'm not gonna wave.
Oh.
I just say talk to the hand. Bye.
Fine, I'll wait. Bye.